Ruth and Norman Rales Jewish Family Services is the premier human services agency in South Palm Beach County. Down these hallways and behind the doors, we transform lives of those in our community who are in need. We help, we restore hope, and we return humanity to so many that have turned to JFS.
Some days I barely hold on. When life drags me down, I wanna let go.
Dear JFS, the divorce hit Ashley the hardest. She rarely socialized with her friends anymore, and she began lashing out at both my ex and me. She was unable to concentrate in school. She was disruptive in class, and her grades nosedived. I was referred to JFS through Ashley's school. To get me off her back, Ashley agreed to meet with a JFS counselor. Quite honestly, I was not very optimistic. At JFS, Ashley was able to talk about her feelings freely without being judged. The JFS counselor was able to explain the divorce process in a way that made sense to Ashley. I learned how to communicate better with my daughter. Ashley has begun to do much better in school and is once again spending time with her friends. I can't thank you enough for bringing Ashley back to me.
Some days I just can't go on. I stumble and fall.
Dear JFS, I still remember those nights so vividly. First, the sound of a smack across my mom's face, followed by screaming. It always ended the same way, with the slamming of the front door. That's when I knew it was safe to come out from under my bed. I ran into her room, bringing her a tissue to dry her tears. She would always say the same thing. It was not as bad as it sounded. I came home from school one day and found my mom packing some of my things in a suitcase. I asked her what was going on. She told me she found the help that we needed through JFS and that we needed to leave now. JFS helped us move into our own apartment. Moving away from mom's boyfriend was life-saving. JFS even provided counseling to help us deal with the years of abuse. JFS could help, and did. Thanks, Emma.
But you reach out for my hand, and you lift me up again and again.
I got laid off and thought it would be easy to find another job. Turned out that we ended up going through our entire savings. Had it not been for JFS providing us with food and assisting us with a crucial mortgage payment, I don't know how we would have been able to get through it. Our case manager introduced me to the Career and Employment Services team. It was due to their help that I was able to land a job. My family and I are beyond grateful. JFS gave us hope when we had none. Mark.
JFS is also here when unexpected disasters strike. This year's disaster had a name, Irma.
After Hurricane Irma, we were unable to reach my sister Shelley. Shelley lives by herself in Century Village. We had no idea how she weathered the storm or if she needed anything. Living so far away, we had never felt so helpless. Fortunately for us, we were able to reach JFS. Your team checked in on her. We were so relieved to find out that not only was she doing well, but that JFS had also provided her with water, challah, and other food. Thank you so much for your humanity. In gratitude, Deborah.
These stories represent only a fraction of what JFS does on a daily basis. The daily needs in our community continue to grow. When crisis strikes unexpectedly, JFS is also there. Please help us provide help, hope, and humanity to all of our neighbors in need.
Never